Finding a good replacement sky image for a scene can be challenging. I chose a clip with closely matching colors and moving branches to demonstrate the sky replacement tool's effectiveness in DaVinci Resolve. This can all be done in the color page. Option S to create another node. Choose the qualifier to access the 3D plus qualifier and create a key. This may take time to achieve a good selection or key. Use the minus qualifier if too much is keyed out. The water is also being keyed, but this can be easily fixed later. The key can also be adjusted later. Type Sky in the Effects search box. Then drag Sky Replacement onto the node connection, not the node itself. Connect the keyed node to the top blue connection of the sky replacement. I've had unrealistic results with the artificial sky generator, so I'll use a cloud image instead. Connect the green on the image node to the green on the sky replacement. We can use the controls in the settings to increase size and position. In the Sky Mask adjustments, fine-tune the 4 settings for the best results. I prefer to make these adjustments by watching the clip instead of using the preview mask setting. These adjustments are crucial for a good result. Next, click on Track Foreground to get the sky to move with the foreground. The sky replacement image is too small, so we need to enlarge and reposition it. Use a power window to isolate the new sky from the foreground, which was somewhat affected by the sky key. This is a quick overview of sky replacement. It involves minor adjustments to many parameters to achieve the desired result. Further changes can be made to the replaced sky in the effect itself or in the color page.
It's alright, it's okay, doesn't really matter if you're old and gray. It's alright, I say it's okay.